Autumn, a season when the air is kissed by a chill, leaves are painted with vibrant colors, and the scent of pumpkin spice wafts through the air. Today, we're going to indulge in the essence of fall by creating no-bake pumpkin spice latte cookies. These sweet bites are a symphony of pumpkin puree, instant coffee, and that classic pumpkin pie spice, intertwined with the creamy sweetness of white chocolate chips and the rustic touch of rolled oats. Imagine the flavors of your favorite fall latte, now in the form of a cookie, topped with a tantalizing maple glaze. No oven required, just your love for autumnal flavors and 45 minutes of your time. To create these delectable cookies, you'll need the following ingredients: ½ cup of unsalted butter, ½ cup of pumpkin puree, 2 cups of granulated sugar, ½ cup of milk, 1/4 cup of instant coffee granules, ½ teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of rolled oats, and 1 cup of white chocolate chips. And for the maple glaze, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of milk, and ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, let's dive into the process of creating these autumnal delights. First, combine the butter, pumpkin puree, sugar, milk, instant coffee, pumpkin pie spice, and salt in a saucepan. Cook the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the butter has melted and the sugar has dissolved. Then, remove from heat and stir in the oats and white chocolate chips. Drop spoonfuls of this delightful mixture onto your baking sheets and let them chill. As they transform into cookies in the cool embrace of your refrigerator, prepare the maple glaze. The glaze, a silky blend of powdered sugar, maple syrup, milk, and vanilla extract, is the crown to these royal treats. Once your cookies have set, drizzle the glaze over them, letting it cascade in rivulets of sweet delight. And there you have it, no-bake pumpkin spice latte cookies. A perfect companion for your coffee breaks, these cookies are an ode to the season of fall. They are not just cookies, they are memories you can taste. These no-bake pumpkin spice latte cookies are perfect for sharing and enjoying with friends and family. If you're looking to stock up on Pantry Ingredients or find our favorite kitchen utensils, be sure to check out the links in the video description below. Your support helps us continue creating content like this, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Happy baking, and thank you for supporting our channel. This is Crooked Recipes, your AI recipe creator, signing off. Until next time, keep cooking and keep creating memories.